We're looking at empirical formulas. What are empirical formulas? Empirical formulas are a formula of a compound in its simplest form. So what we do, this example would be like hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Well, is that its simplest form? Really, no. We could take it down to HO. That would be its empirical simplest form. All right, so there are a procedure to go through to find empirical formula. First thing we're going to do is convert all units to grams. Then we're going to convert to moles. Then we're going to divide all moles by the smallest number of moles. We multiply until all values are whole numbers. Now, what are whole numbers? The first decimal needs to be either 0 or a 9, and that's the process. All right, so let's take an example. Find the empirical formula. If you have 69.94% iron and 30.06% oxygen. So we're going to assume that we have 100 grams of sample. If we have 100 grams of sample, then 69.94 grams are iron and 30.06 grams are oxygen. We're not doing diatomics here at all. Put those all over 1. Now, if we look at the periodic chart, we know that 1 mole of iron is 56 grams. We know that 1 mole of oxygen is 16 grams. Divided through, we get 1.249 moles of iron. We convert it into moles. And 1.879 moles of oxygen. We're going to divide by the smallest number. That would be the 1.249 moles. We divide them both by that same number. We end up with 1.000 iron. There's no moles that cross out. And 1.504. Well, the first one is a 0.9, so we're good. The second one's not. So we need to start multiplying. What can we multiply? Multiply them both by 2. If we multiply the first one by 2, we get 2 irons. Second one by 2 is 3.008, and that's close enough. So the empirical formula is Fe2S3. All right, so we're going to look at this one in class. The empirical formula, if you have a substance containing 50.00% silver, 24.07% chromium, and 25.93% oxygen. And we'll do this one. What is the empirical formula compound with 20.27 carbon, 2.70% hydrogen, 28.38% nitrogen, and 48.65% oxygen? That's it. Take care. Be good. Bye.